What you gonna do with the drunken sailor? What you gonna do with the drunken sailor? What you gonna do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? Hi, welcome to Missing Links Brewery. This is another episode of Tri-State Supply on Tap. I'm Al Magoski, Drives Area Manager for Tri-State Supply. And I don't know what you're gonna do with a drunken sailor because they're very unpredictable. But what if you had a VFD that could let you know when your fans or your IGBTs were near the end of their life? Or if there was a sudden change in your mechanics and it automatically could adjust for that, or inertia changes in your system and let you know so you could prepare for a proper shutdown and get the production done for that day. Well, Ellen Bradley happens to have a family of drives called Total Force Technology, and with that drive lineup you can get that and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's look at this further.
Ask any heavy industry manufacturer about the top challenges they face, and more than likely they'll say, reduce energy consumption, minimize downtime, and optimize productivity. And they need to resolve these challenges while still reducing unplanned downtime, increasing profitability, and protecting their investment. As a worldwide leader in variable frequency drives, Rockwell Automation can help resolve these challenges with the latest Allen Bradley PowerFlex technology. Built with our patented Total Force technology, PowerFlex 755T drives deliver superior electric motor control through precise adaptive control of velocity, torque, and position. PowerFlex 755T drives respond to production demands by comparing current performance to application settings and making any necessary adjustments automatically. They also communicate their performance data through the control system to operations in real time and continuously monitor their own health. The PowerFlex 755T drives continuously monitor their own operation and internal components because during operation, Load Observer and Adaptive Tuning monitor the variables that can change over time and will automatically make adjustments to compensate for the mechanical changes as they occur, keeping the system performing as efficiently as possible. PowerFlex 755T drives also notify operators immediately about issues that might compromise drive or motor health. This kind of self-awareness helps to significantly reduce unplanned downtime. Out of the box, Allen Bradley PowerFlex 755T drives with Total Force technology are designed to help you get the most out of your equipment. They also help to optimize your applications, minimize downtime, and keep your operations running smoothly. Allen Bradley PowerFlex drives with Total Force technology, the smart choice for smart manufacturing environments. Visit our website to learn more.
Here are some of the frame sizes for the TR regenerative and TL low harmonic units. Frame 5 covers 10 to 75 horsepower. Frame 6 covers 75 to 200 horsepower. And frame 7 covers 200 to 500 horsepower. Frame 7 is made of modular sections for quick change out to reduce downtime. Frame 8 goes to 650 horsepower, and by paralleling we can go up to a frame 15 for a maximum of 6,000 horsepower. Common bus configurations with multiple drives being powered by either an active front end or a non-regenerative bus supply, both from 500 to 6,000 horsepower. Now, Rockwell Automation has released the PowerFlex 755 TS, a standard 6-pulse VFD that gives you all the performance of the 755T family in the same exact frame sizes as the 750 family of drives from frame sizes 1 to 7 to make it easy for you to migrate your existing PowerFlex 750 units over when and if the time comes. So what else do you get with the 755 TVFDs? As seen on the video, adaptive tuning and load observer that automatically corrects for changes in the load. Bus observer is for active front end units to compensate for line changes. Predictive maintenance can be monitored and displayed to alert you when components are needing to be replaced instead of waiting for a complete shutdown. The accuracy module allows for more precise torque control at low speeds. It has to be ordered with all the 755 TS frames 1 to 7 and the TL and TR frames 5 and 6. There's 2% motor rated torque regulation with the TAM module, or torque accuracy module. Improved torque accuracy at all operating speeds, especially low speeds. Beneficial for applications that require torque setting or load sharing. Better control of strip or web tension for winder and coiler applications. The 755T can control various AC motors from standard induction to surface and interior permanent magnet motors to, as well as synchronous reluctance and more. It has improved the device logic programming with up to 500 instructions, both in function block or ladder programming, and now has tag binding so you can access any parameter in the drive. With the active front ends, you can switch to 2 different tunings for different line sources, like across the line and then a generator. The emergency override feature allows you to run the drive no matter what happens, basically until you destroy it. When using the 755T units with a crane, there is an automatic anti-sway control. It comes with built-in dual gigabit Ethernet ports as standard and SIP security capable today with certification and alignment with IEC 62443 planned for late this fiscal year in 2023. The 755T uses the same I/O cards as all 750 VFDs use now, making migration easier, eliminating having to rewire the field controls, as well as the same safe torque off cards. It has a fiber optic high-speed link option for applications like load sharing, electronic line shaft control, and master and follower applications. One example would be a printing press. Just like the 750 and the 755T drives, programming uses the same methods through the HIM module like the 20HIM-A6, the free connected component software, and of course the Studio 5000 Logix Designer software. With the active front end versions, you have enhanced power ride-through capabilities and generator switchover to allow for different line impedances. Using Bus Observer on the active front end, which allows for ride-through capability from 15 milliseconds at full load to 10 minutes at no load. Energy saving is now more critical than ever in overall cost, Rockwell Automation meets IEC 61800-9-2 and IE2 Eco Design Directive, and it has one of the highest energy saving VFD designs today. Plus, with the energy pause feature, you can keep the VFD alive and stop outputting power until it is further needed, saving you additional energy. So you might think, I have my VFDs in enclosures and inside a control room, so I don't need corrosion protected components, do I? But with the introduction of RoHS compliance requirements to protect the environment, electronics have become more susceptible to corrosives in the air that were not affecting your older units because they had things like lead in their designs. Rockwell Automation is doing is adding non-conductive grease as just one of the things they do for their XT VFDs on the connection points that slide into the backplane. So let's take a closer look at what Rockwell Automation is doing to help prolong your VFDs in these corrosive environments.
Harsh environments can wreak havoc on production equipment. Environments where corrosive gases permeate the air are especially challenging. Conformal coatings offer a high level of protection in many environments, but corrosive environments require a more impenetrable solution. Because corrosion occurs on internal electronic components, it's hard to see and can lead to premature failure of variable frequency drives and other critical assets. Rockwell Automation Chemistry and Materials Lab took this challenge head-on and performed first-of-its-kind experiments. We tested variable frequency drives to determine the impact over the life cycle of each drive. The results confirmed our customers' data. So, we set out to develop the next evolution of protective coatings. After several years and relentless testing, we were able to deliver an enhanced PowerFlex drive that performs well in these harsh environments. We call this enhancement XT Corrosive Gas Protection. Our proprietary formula is designed to increase the lifespan of internal components and outperform any existing solutions available today.
So the strategy that we took in developing these extra tough products, there's a number of changes that we've made to the product. One that we've made is we've enhanced the coating that we put on the circuit boards to protect it against corrosion. Another example is we've collaborated for a couple of years now with one of the leading suppliers of a critical electronic component in the product, and we've developed in collaboration with them a corrosion-resistant electronic component. And so we have a very specific test that we've developed that I know is actually the fastest one in the industry. And it's the collection of these design changes that enables the product to be labeled extra tough. It's more than just the circuit board. It's the collaboration that we had with these key electronic component suppliers. It's component level verification, it's board level verification, it's product level verification. And it's all really been enabled with the investments in these very unique corrosion chambers. I'm proud to say Rockwell has the biggest corrosion chamber in the world that was custom built for us. The easiest way to visually see the impact of the extra tough design is through a simple experiment of putting an uncoated circuit board, a standard coated circuit board, and an enhanced or extra tough coated circuit board in an accelerated corrosion test. You can see from the results the impact of the design changes that we've made and how that impacted corrosion.
This major evolution in corrosive gas protection is now available on PowerFlex 755T drives. XT Corrosive Gas Protection can improve equipment utilization, increase equipment reliability, and keep your production running in these extremely harsh environments. Can you afford to operate without it?
So now Rockwell Automation has you covered in these corrosive applications as well. You can order the XD protection on the PowerFlex 755 high horsepower units and the 755 TS VFDs as an option. It is standard on all PowerFlex 755 T, L, TR, and TM units. Here are some of the features designed to make replacing parts when and if your 755T drive were to fail. Changing out fans takes only minutes and not hours. Removable power sections without having to wrestle with those large input and output cables. There are even special designed portable carts to aid in quick and safe removal of the power sections as well. Thanks for your time, and now back to the brewery. Well, that concludes our episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like more information on the Total Force Technology drives that Allen Bradley has to offer, or any of the Allen Bradley products we offer, get a hold of Tri-State Supply or Mosbaugh Electric. We're both CED Allen Bradley authorized distributors. And as always, do not dilly-dally.